Hello everyone. Welcome to AnalyticsLiv channel. GA4 now lets you easily copy reports and explorations across properties, solving a key challenge for data-driven marketers. Let's quickly dive deep and explore this new feature to understand how it works, benefits, and how you can use it to streamline reporting across multiple properties. This feature lets you copy custom reports or explorations across GA4 properties, ensuring consistency and saving time. We can copy two different types of reports in different properties. First is a detailed custom report. Second is a report specifically created from the exploration section. Let's see the first option, how to copy a detailed custom report. In Google Analytics account, go to the Library section. Scroll down the page. And under Report section, select any custom detailed report. And click on Copy Across Properties option. A pop-up window will appear displaying the list of account properties. Choose the desired property and click on Copy to Property to complete the process. Point to remember. Currently, we can only copy custom detailed reports across the property. At this moment, the default reports available in Analytics cannot be copied. Now let's see second option, how to copy an exploration report. Go to the Exploration section, select any desired custom report, and click on the Copy Across Properties option. A pop-up will list available properties. Select one and click Copy to Property to complete the transfer. Point to remember. A warning will appear in Copy Across Properties if the report has custom dimensions, metrics, or audiences. Key benefits of copy reports and exploration across GA4 properties. Time saving. Eliminates the need to manually recreate reports in different GA4 properties. Consistency. Ensures uniform reporting structure across multiple properties. Error reduction. Minimizes mistakes that can occur when manually recreating complex reports. Enhanced data accessibility. Ensures key insights remain available across different accounts. To verify if the report has been successfully copied to another account, GA4 assigns 3 different statuses. Number 1, Success. A custom detailed or exploration report was copied successfully. Number 2, Warning. The custom detail report or exploration was copied successfully, but some custom settings are not included, like calculated metrics, audiences, custom channel groupings, custom dimensions, custom metrics, saved comparisons, saved segments. To make sure the report works properly in the new property, you'll need to update these settings manually. Number 3, Failure. The custom detailed report or exploration couldn't be copied due to one of the following reasons. First is, if quota limit has been reached for a property. Second is, insufficient permission in GA4. Point to remember. When copying a report, archived dimension or archived metric may appear. We need to check and update the original GA4 property. The copy reports and explorations across GA4 properties feature boosts efficiency by allowing seamless report duplication. Users should review copied reports for archived dimensions or metrics and adjust settings as needed. This is all about copy reports feature. In case of any queries, you can reach out to us, link in the description. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Happy reporting! Stay tuned for the next video. Contact us for more information.